This message is brought to you by Harrison Bowl. Go support your local bowling center.
Love you, Sam!
I'm Sam Cross, and I've never bowled a JV game in my life.
My name's Evan Malden, and I have a scented bowling ball.
Bowling's so easy, I can do it one-handed and two-handed.
Hi, I'm Ava Whitus, and the odds of me getting a boyfriend are the odds of me getting a turkey.
Hello, my name's Carter Fry. My bowling is as good as my grades.
I'm Tyler Ferry, and there's a reason I don't bowl one-handed.
Hi, my name's Alyssa Rourke, and I didn't know bowling was a sport till 3 months ago.
Hi, my name's David Compton, and I threw my bowling ball down the street one time.
Hi, I'm Cassie Schulteis.
And I'm Alyssa Pierce, and I think she's at the wrong sport.
And I was going to tell you a joke, but I think I'll spare you.
We're your 2019-2020 bowling team, and you're watching What